Meaning of giddily.
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 Giddily. The term giddily refers to feeling dizzy or lightheaded in a way that causes a loss of balance or orientation. It can also describe a feeling of excessive excitement or euphoria that produces a similar sense of disorientation. This feeling can be caused by a variety of factors, including drugs, alcohol, or a sudden rush of adrenaline. When someone feels giddy, they may experience a spinning sensation, have trouble focusing on objects, or feel like they are about to lose their balance. Overall, giddiness is an unpleasant and often uncomfortable sensation that can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks.